How to color this bird? Firstly, I add blue color with red so I can make purple color. I fulfill the first layer with more water and save your white spaces because the white spaces are the lighting areas on this picture. Before the adding black color, please add black color with more water. Finally, you can use black color to build your picture. After doing this, add the shadow of your bird onto water with blue color and black color. And also I add water, and finally I add the background with orange color. So this is your picture. How is it? Subscribe Inky Wild.